Hi everyone, today I am here with the unboxing of the Hermes Faubourg men's belt buckle along with an associated belt. So let's do the buckle first. The reason why I got this is it's a new limited edition buckle that's only available in certain stores. If I remove the plastic here, you can see that this classic H belt buckle style, but engraved on top is the Hermes Faubourg store and workshop, which is, I think, pretty cool and definitely a unique belt buckle to have. The buckle itself retails for approximately $400 US. It's in silver and is your standard belt buckle, as you can see here. Of course, with Hermes, you cannot just buy the buckle by itself. You also need to buy a belt with it. So I will put this off to the side. And here is a two-tone belt. I got 135 centimeters. And it's in a ebene on this side and Gruyere on the back. So that provides a pretty versatile color combination depending on what I am wearing. So what I will be doing is actually putting on this buckle and belt and showing you a pair of Saint Germain pants that I recently purchased and got tailored. And I'll put all that together and be right back. All right, so now I have one of my shirts on along with the belt buckle and the new belt. I have the Gruyere out right now. And I have a pair of Saint Germain pants in Brune. And these Saint Germain pants have a leather detail right here underneath the belt, as well as right here on the left pocket. So that way you can see it all together with the Faubourg buckle, the belt, and the Saint Germain pants. So definitely very comfortable, really unique belt buckle as well, which is what drew me to it, and excited to use this with my new pair of pants and some of my shirts as well. So in the US, December 2023, let's walk through what everything retails for. So this belt buckle is about $400 US. The belt itself is about $450. The pants with the leather detail are $940. As always, thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.